Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, Tesla actually gapped down today, something that, I think a lot of people forgot was possible. But to be fair, it did recover back upwards nicely, but has now brought about two very, kind of in-your-face levels that I think stand out quite a bit and that a lot of people will be watching, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with a couple of these areas. First thing I'm going to actually do is just get rid of that line up there. That level has served its purpose for now. But the first big update that needs to be done, and actually you could throw this right into a textbook, but this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watch past videos. But in past videos, I talked about this green line there being an area of support. But when the price broke down below it, according to technical analysis, levels of support are broken. They tend to act as resistance. And like I said, throw this right into a textbook. A classic example. Price bounced upwards, got rejected at that former support. Tried again, got rejected at that former support. So while I'm not saying that the price can never get up above this resistance here right around the 572-ish mark, my point here is that there's going to be a lot of eyeballs on that level now. And when a lot of eyeballs are watching that same level, that can certainly produce some very big movements. So all the breakout players, certainly, and rightfully so, it makes perfect sense to be, watching that 572-ish area. So definitely keep a close eye on that moving forward. In terms of areas of support, still all about this green line down here at 550. It was temporarily violated today. And when it was violated, it actually made a big plunge to the downside. However, to give full credit where credit's due, very impressive movement on the bulls' part to, get the price not only back up to 550, but then just keep it on moving in the upwards direction. But that still remains going to, a key level of support moving forward. So keep an eye on those couple levels going into Thursday. And there's definitely some interesting scenarios here taking place. But it's Tesla, so there are a bunch of people are going to be watching it. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.